Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a neat little modification or upgrade, whatever you want to call it, for your Mark II Golf. Nice and simple. Let's do it. Okay, so this little upgrade or mod, or whatever you want to call it, is going to let you install a cabin filter in your Golf. So no more leaves blowing through, no more pollen making you sneeze in summertime if you've got hay fever. This should help give you nice clean air in your Golf. First thing we need to do is obviously remove this scuttle tray. Oh, by the way, there's no band t-shirts today. Today I am showcasing the new DOHC hoodie from Mark II Golf Stories. It's pretty sweet. What do you think? There's a link to this and all my other merch down in the description below, and there'll also be a link to where you can get this filter and the housing for it. But anyway, back to doing the actual install. It'd be a lot easier if I could just boom. Nice. Right, so first we need to remove this bad boy. There you go, it's the easiest way to get it off. Right. It's been fucking silicon sealed in, hasn't it? Yep, of course it has. Right, the rubber on that's all gone anyway, by the looks of it. Try and give this a good cleaning. Get a nice clean surface for the new rubber. Seems to be doing a good job actually, just rubbing it. Okay, so this kit comes with a 3D printed housing for the filter. This is designed by a dude or a company called Resto Designs. I'll put a link to these down in the description below. And I will say they gave me this for free because I told them I was going to be doing a video on it. So thanks a lot, cheers mate. So this is designed to replace your old filter housing. So this can be binned or sold or whatever. This just sits in the same place. This is a bit thicker than the old one, so there's no need for this tab. It's held in place nicely. And then you just need to get your filter. And this is just a Hyundai i10 filter, so these are readily available. That just slides in there, like so. And boom, there you go. Now you have a filter which is actually going to do some filtering. I think that's a nice little upgrade. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. And once again, shout out to Resto Designs. So there's a link to this down in the description below. There's also a link to this and other awesome Mark II Golf Stories merch. So yeah, that's the end of this video. What do you think of the air filter? I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, consider giving us a like or subscribe. You can always buy me a coffee down below. And you can even become a channel member if you want to see these videos early. Also, keep an eye on our posts because we've got a pretty cool announcement soon for our sister channel, not Mark II Golf Stories, which I think hopefully you guys will enjoy. So thanks a lot. See you again soon. Bye bye.